Hey there, you're standing at the edge of a cliff, staring down into the vast, unknown abyss of cryptocurrencies. You're drawn to the potential rewards, but the risks are real and the waters can be treacherous. Hook, have you ever wondered if Gemini is the safe haven you need in this turbulent crypto world? Context. Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, has been making waves in the industry. With its sleek interface and a range of features, it's attracted a significant user base. But is it truly safe to trust your hard-earned crypto with them? Safety concerns. Hacking. One of the biggest concerns in the crypto world is hacking. Exchanges have been targeted by cybercriminals in the past, leading to significant losses for users. Let's explore Gemini's security measures to see if they can withstand such attacks. Regulatory compliance. Gemini operates in a highly regulated environment. Understanding their compliance with various regulations can provide insight into their commitment to security and transparency. Customer support. When things go wrong, having reliable customer support is crucial. Let's assess Gemini's customer service reputation and see how they handle issues and disputes. Gemini's security measures. Cold storage. Gemini primarily stores the majority of its customers' crypto assets in cold storage, which are offline wallets. This significantly reduces the risk of hacking as they are not connected to the internet. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Gemini encourages users to enable MFA, adding an extra layer of security to their accounts. This requires users to provide additional verification factors, such as a code sent to their phone, when logging in. Insurance. Gemini has insurance policies in place to protect its customers' assets in case of a security breach or other unforeseen events. Regulatory compliance. Gemini is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, one of the most stringent regulators in the United States. This means they are subject to rigorous oversight and must adhere to strict compliance standards. KYC and AML. Gemini implements Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, procedures to comply with regulations and prevent illegal activities. Customer support. Gemini offers various customer support channels, including email, live chat, and phone support. While user experiences may vary, many report positive interactions with Gemini's customer support team. Dispute resolution. Gemini has a dispute resolution process in place to help resolve any conflicts between users and the platform. Conclusion. Is Gemini crypto safe to use? Based on the evidence, it appears that Gemini has taken significant steps to ensure the safety of its users' funds. Their cold storage practices, multi-factor authentication, and regulatory compliance are strong indicators of their commitment to security. However, it's important to remember that no system is completely foolproof. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Gemini or any other crypto exchange platform is a personal one. Consider your risk tolerance, the amount you're willing to invest, and your comfort level with the platform's security measures. And, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.